Hey, and welcome to Vlogtober day 13. I just got back from doing a teardown. We did it at Kelly Hill this morning. It wasn't super long. It was our last wedding there of the season. They're getting ready to shut it down. It's a gorgeous venue. If you're looking for a wedding venue in the Fredericton area, definitely check it out. It's a beautiful barn. The owners are so nice. So yeah, so we did that super quick, and now I'm home. I'm about to edit yesterday's video and get that uploaded, and then since it's a day off, we'll see where the day takes us. I don't know what the plans are. So I've done basically pretty much nothing all day. Like that's about all there is. I made myself a couple of cups of tea. That's pretty much it. I'm just about to put on, well, Eric's putting on for me Phantom Menace, because we're gonna start watching all of the Star Wars movies in the lead up to Rise of Skywalker. And he's going to somewhat watch, somewhat put around, so that he doesn't have to listen to Jar Jar Binks the whole time. I like Phantom Menace because I love Amidala, but you know, Jar Jar's annoying. What can you do? So I just finished watching the movie. I had to put my glasses on to watch the movie because there is a lot of subtitles and I couldn't read them from the couch if I wasn't wearing my glasses. I'm gonna do a little bit of meal prep to get ready for my day tomorrow. And other than that, it's probably gonna be a pretty chill evening. Okay, so these are mine and Eric's salads, somewhat prepped for tomorrow. They're missing the chicken, which I'm gonna cook in the Instant Pot as a slow cooker tonight, and I'll shred it in the morning and just add it to these. But it's mixed greens, an apple that we're gonna cut up and put in when we go to eat it, and then that maple vinaigrette that I made, and the little container of blue cheese and pecans. So, should be a pretty good, really filling salad. Looking forward to it, and I think I'm gonna try and roast some sweet potatoes to have as a side, but I don't know if I'll have time to do that tonight. That might be a tomorrow night project. Okay, I think I did something wrong with my Instant Pot eggs. I put them in like a long time ago, and I feel like it's not doing what it's supposed to do, and it hasn't started the countdown, and it's just steam everywhere. I'm worried that the lid isn't on properly, but I don't know what to do. Like, do I stop it, and then if the eggs aren't boiled, like I won't know until I open them? This is a dilemma. I don't know how I'm gonna fix it. I think I'm gonna turn it off because it's been like this for at least like 20 minutes now, I think. So I have no idea. I guess we're just gonna wing it in the morning and see if they're cooked. Stay tuned. Okay, I think I discovered the source of the problem. When I opened it up, my sealing ring wasn't properly fitted. So I still don't know if the eggs are cooked. I guess we'll find out when I open them in the morning, but that's why it didn't start, is because it never properly sealed. Okay, I just put this chicken breast in and I'm gonna set it to slow cook overnight, and I fixed my sealing ring, so that should be better. I freeze it in the marinade, so this is called a peri-peri marinade. I don't know what that means. It sounded good. I liked the spices that were in it. So, slow cook it for like 6 to 8 hours and then shred it in the morning. And then it'll go in with our lunches. Making some nighttime Neocitrin for both Eric and I, because somehow his cold has morphed into my sore throat and stuffy nose, and I don't know how, because he didn't even have a sore throat and stuffy nose. So, making some Neocitrin. Okay, I'm gonna put away my clothes, kind of clean up my side of the room and my closet, pick out what I'm wearing tomorrow, including my workout clothes, because even though I'm not feeling super good, I'm really gonna try and get a workout in the morning, even if it's just something really chill. I actually think it's a yoga video in my program tomorrow anyways. God, I hope that's what freestyle flow means. If not, then I might die, but you know, shit happens. I wanted to show you, this is a really good example of what my capsule wardrobe looks like most of the time. Like, this is when some of the pieces are in the laundry, some of them I'm wearing, some of them are like waiting to be washed, whatever. And this is what I have left. So I can still come in here, and I find that I can normally really easily still choose an outfit. So let's say that tomorrow I'm gonna wear this white blouse because I haven't really worn this much, so I want to make sure I'm getting good use out of it. So let's say I wear that, and I'll need a jacket, of course, to go over top of it. So I'm gonna wear this black blazer, and then as my third thing, I'm gonna wear these olive pants. So I still have lots of choices. I definitely have enough that I could get through the rest of the week with what's available in my wardrobe, because I still have a couple pairs of bottoms, some different casual and dressy tops and cardigans and sweaters and stuff, and the 2 dresses. But I also don't have to worry too much about what I'm gonna wear, because everything all goes together, and there still is quite a limited selection, but I don't feel trapped by it. So I really like this system, and I'm happy with the way I've got my capsule set up for this season. And of course, the other piece is picking out my workout clothes. So I'm gonna go with, actually I'm gonna go with these pants in the morning. They're super comfy. They're from Old Navy, but they're a few years old, and I don't know if I still love Old Navy pants as much. Maybe I just need to find a style that's really similar to these ones, but I have 2 pairs that are the exact same style. They have different colors, but I love them. They're some of my favorite workout leggings ever. So I'm gonna use those. And then to go with it, I'm gonna grab this Halloween t-shirt. It says, "Here for the booze." How cute is that? This is one of the ones from my shop. So as always, link down below. Of course, this Halloween, I'm not actually here for the booze because we're doing Sober October, but it's still a cute shirt, and it'll motivate me to work out. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna do to prep tonight before I go to bed is edit today's video. I'm not super stringent about it on the weekends because I have time in the mornings to edit it whenever I have a second, but definitely on weekday mornings, I'd rather have the time to myself to work on other things and not be stressing about getting a video edited. So I'm gonna try and get this edited tonight before I go to bed, and that's about it. That's all I got for you. I hope that you enjoyed today's productive evening vlog. I had a really unproductive day, so I'm glad that I got myself set up for a good day tomorrow, and I'll see you then. Bye!